Black Pepper Garlic Omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the omelette recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes and one of the most unique of the black pepper recipes and one of the most different of the pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried egg recipes. We're going to make black pepper garlic omelette. We've taken around 20 cloves of garlic, peeled and cut into thin small slices. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs, into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Add the mix. Mix the eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces by mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Now keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. mix in the shallots with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix in the black pepper. Put in the garlic to the egg mixture. Mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Thoroughly mix. Now this can be used to make the omelette. Pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated and let it spread in the pan. Now pour in the egg mixture into the pan and let it fry. Turn it to medium heat and let the mixture fry. Now close and let it fry further. Until surface of the omelette dries out. Turn it over and let it dry. For another 1 minute. Black pepper garlic omelette is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper garlic omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most different of the breakfast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried egg recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.